Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. It is a hammer, but it's a hammer that's a fist. If I can open it here. Sorry. Okay, so this is it here. Okay, it comes with some sandpaper. It was like a 360 lubricated abrasive paper. It comes with carrying a belt loop like that, so you could belt loop it, and then I'll take it out here. And then you have the fist here. It's got a good weight to it, and it's got a little rope to hang it up if you want to. But this is a hammer here. It's great, good. I guess you could use it right or left-handed because it's gonna have the flat side right there. This side here's got the fist, so it would make it kind of weird. So you've got a one-sided one there. It doesn't have like a nail puller or anything like that. This one here is just for hammering, but it's really cool, and really it's got some good weight to it, and it looks cool, and this is gonna be solid, so this is gonna replace my daily hammer so I can look cool, especially if I'm out there helping friends out and things like that. They're gonna be like, oh, what's going on there? You got a fist. But it is a hammer, it is heavy, it is good. It's got a good solid shaft on it as well. Nice solid wood. I guess the sandpaper lets you sand it down if you wanted to. But really cool. I'm gonna say this is awesome and kind of fun and very cool. So if you need a hammer or a good gift for somebody who's a handyman in your life, this would be a great thing to have. I mean, anybody would like this one just because it's cool. It adds a little fun to the day. Someone's out there working all day. It's kind of nice to actually have something to make you smile. So they'll remember you for sure if you give them a fist, give them a big punch. So very cool. Thumbs up.